Alright, here we are with another Mamotrico zine. Let's make this happen. I think probably first step is to fold it up. Once again, I got these printed at a corner store, so the quality isn't exactly the best, but there we are. Let's see. Yeah, not the perfect fold, so I think it's time to adjust it. Get those corners lined up. I mean, it's close. Yeah, I think it's good. Close enough. Alright, and so let's see. So this is the front page. That's the back page. Alright. So yeah, it's an A4 sheet, just folded in half with some photos. Alright. Let's go. So I think, because there's this halation around the bright points of light, and it's there. You can also see it there, and in the back here. I'm talking about that for a bit, in case people don't know about it, and also why it happens. date. And yeah, on this side, these shots, unfortunately, I don't know what happened. I developed all these shots myself. But these have, even this one actually, it's less pronounced, but they have these like, sort of, it looks like the film was exposed, unintentionally exposed, but I don't think that I did anything different with it. I mean, I developed it, but I don't know why there are these kind of burn marks on it, because they're not here and they're not on these shots. I have a feeling that these two, this one, so these three came from a different roll than these three or these two. So even though they're all 800 ISO film, I think something was wrong with this roll. Light leaks is the word that I was looking for. Okay, I just checked that the QR codes work and they're good. Just adding some description of what the QR codes are for. final check. Nice. Everything works. There we are. And I am going to add print on here. You get to see this. My goal is that the person who ends up getting this doesn't get to see what's inside until they open it. So that's the idea. So I have these prints, which are not related to these, but they're kind of offcuts, let's say, from when I do film printing, which is not just putting it in the printer. It's actually through a projector. The negative gets projected onto photosensitive paper, and then you have to then develop that paper for the image to come out correctly. You can kind of see that when I start, here there's a lot of magenta, it's very bright, so then normally I'll either do like little test strips, which I don't have any examples here, but little test strips initially to kind of start dialing it in, but even sometimes when I start doing a print I'm still a bit far off, so then I would adjust the color balance, basically the light. You can change the color of the light that's projecting onto the photo paper to get the right sort of color balance. Like here, this is a pretty good one, but it's a bit wonky, so that's why I'm going to give it away. But yeah, that's what it looks like. So then you can adjust, like you have a magenta filter and a yellow filter. So with that, basically you have color temperature and then magenta or green tint, and playing with that you can get a decent enough exposure. I think I'm gonna pop this one in, but I'll add a note on the back first. There we are. A finished zine.